Which is probably why now all of a sudden there's this real fancy automatic $300 flare tool available online, because the air conditioning guys are making so much money that they can afford to buy platinum covered. There'll be a $2,000 to $3,000 flaring tool come out that'll massage your back while you're doing it. You put it on like an armored thing. Believe me, these guys are making way too much money. But so are electricians and plumbers. Those guys they buy big buildings and fancy trucks, and I believe too greedy. And then all the inspectors are all kind of their buddies, you know, even though they fail them from time to time, because they all believe in having high-end stuff done. Is it necessary? No. Are you going to have to deal with it? Yes, you will have to deal with it. The fact that you know that they're ripping you off, that don't make you feel better. That they're making a huge absorbent amount of money, that doesn't make you feel better either. But you didn't go through the route of learning how to be an air conditioning guy or a plumber or electrician. You learned to do something else. So that's the choices that they have. Now, by the way, the guys who do the actual work, they don't get paid that much. They don't get paid as much as a dump truck driver, generally. Unless you live in a union town or state. They don't get paid that much. The owner is who gets paid. So you really have to learn about air conditioning and then become an owner in order to make the money that they're making for the company. So don't be so mad at the technician who comes out because he doesn't get paid that huge money. It's the owner of the business. Now that might be the technician that you're dealing with if he's just starting out. He's just pouring that money into his pocket. Because a 3-ton air conditioning updraft or downdraft is like with the split system, not like this, $3 grand. $3 grand. But they're not going to charge you $4 or $5 grand to put it in. They're going to charge you anywhere from $7,000 to $12,000. And that's not a new, that's reusing the ductwork you already have. So if we know that there's some pipe to be put in and there's some freon to be put in, there's labor, we can allow $1,000. So we got $4 grand in and they're charging you somewhere between 7 and 12. Tell me if there's a lot of profit in that. Plumbers charging $2,500 to put in water heaters. It's a lot of profit. The water heater is anywhere from $600 to $800. Check valves $100 or so. Expansion tank $40, $50. Labor to put it in less than 500. So you're at $700, $800 total and charging $2,500. Yeah, plumbers, electricians in the future will be making a ton of money because you don't know, just like your mechanic, you don't know how to fix it. You did not learn that stuff. They did. They're the ones out in the weather every day getting dirty. So you're going to have to deal with it. Yeah, hopefully you can find somebody that makes a modest amount of money. All right, we'll let you go.